Koinei te tirohanga o tehi māmā ki te ao o tana pēpi.
When we found out at our 20-week scan that she had a heart condition, we turned to karakia a lot. So we named her Te Whetu Oranga after this matariki star.
Toko toru ngā tamariki o tēnei māmā no raukawa e karakia ana mo te oranga o ana tamariki.
The main concept behind that was because, you know, you karakia Te Whetu Oranga for a prosperous year, and we were told that her first year of life would be real hard.
Working with our whānau is the most rewarding job ever, and I love going out in the community and seeing all the babies that we've helped come into this world. It's really rewarding, and I just love it. I wouldn't do anything else.
Ko ki mai kia te tehi o ngā kai whakawhānau pēpi o Te Whetu Oranga. He rato ngā whakawhānau pēpi Māori ki Tokoroa. Ko whai tautoko a Tatiana I aia e hapū ana ki te tarinei.
The first thing I think we do when we meet a māmā is make the connection. So it's that whakawhanaungatanga that I think happens, that when they come into the office, we try and figure out, how are we connected? Is there a connection that we can make?
Whenever we come in here, we feel safe and like looked after, well cared for and stuff like that. And yeah, it's definitely, well, all the aunties do work here, so it's definitely like just the whānau, and every time we come here it's just like a whānau reunion really.
Ko tēnei te haputanga tuatahi a Kaylee Bigby o Raukawa. E āwangawanga ana ia e hikaka ana hoki. Engari, e mōhio ana ia he rawe te manaakitanga o Te Whetu Oranga, wai hoki o tōna kai whakawhānau pēpi.
They're like provide a real supportive environment, and like, yeah, there's just been moments when I was sick. I was over in Japan at the start of my haputanga, and yeah, I was sick over there and I was a bit worried about Baba and his health. But I just messaged Auntie, and she was able to provide me the support and advice and stuff like that. And it's like advice that I can reach out to and grab any moment that I feel. Like even in the middle of the night, I could just message her, I feel.
Being Māori is, I think, unique when it comes to being a midwife, and I always tried to figure out, am I a Māori midwife or am I a midwife that is Māori? And I think it is I am a Māori midwife. The way that we work with women and whānau is different when I look at other midwives and how they work with whānau as well. And it's that, as you work with the whānau, you don't just work with the hapū māmā, you work with the papa and the nannies and the aunties and uncles as well.
I learnt how crazy the woman, like how women's bodies are. I think with the midwives, they were just so open about everything. That's what I liked about having a Māori midwife, is they didn't sugarcoat anything. So they didn't, downplay what was going on. They said straight up, you need to go to the hospital, or you need to listen. You need to listen to your body. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted someone to tell me straight up what to do and how to get through this pregnancy as smoothly as I could.
He koanga ngā kau he piki ngā wairua te kite I te pēpi ka whānau mai I te aroha I ngā ringaringa tawhai hoki o Te Whetu Oranga. Te kawa paura, Aukaha.
Ko te reo, te take.